Hey guys, how we doing? All right. I've only just come on here just to the first time I've connected my DJI Mic 2 through this OBS and through my Pocket 3. It's the first time I've done it like this. I normally, any of you seen any previous videos the last few days, I just use the mic built into the thing. But I've decided I just want to know what it sounds like with this microphone here. So it should be a lot better, and it shouldn't pick up the ambient sound so much. Although I'll be surprised if you can't hear that telly. I've got Sky Sports News on in there, and I'll be very surprised if you can't hear that. But we'll find out when we play it back. And I thought, well, while I'm on, may as well say something about something. So, yeah, I'm just pottering about, messing about with different, setting all this up as best I can. Tonight I've just managed to put a tray on my tripod, and I've put my laptop on it, but I've had to clip it though with a couple of clips because my laptop is a little bit bigger than the tray. Not that much, but I don't trust it, and if I touch it or anybody touches it, it's likely to fly off the tray. I wanted it up near my camera so that we can see the background that you can see. Because before the laptop was down there and I'm looking down there, and being able to see my background, but then I'm not looking up at you while I'm talking to you. So I wanted it up somewhere near my camera. And although it's still not, it's about, I'd say, 6 inch below my camera. The top of my laptop is about 6. I can go a bit higher actually. In fact, I might do. I might go a little bit higher because I want it to make it look like it just a lot better, because you can see how yourself is positioned and everything, and you get the view that you lot are getting. So, which makes it a lot better. Because when we're just looking into our camera, I'll have to take a photo one of these days and you'll see what I mean. When I'm looking into the camera, all I can see is this green screen. A creased up green screen behind me. Having said that, with my eyes, I can hardly see screen at all now because it's that far away from me. I've moved it further back today just to give us that bit more room in the green screen, so that, I know that arm's disappearing. But I've got plenty of room that side. Don't ask me to explain. I'm not that bright. But I know what I mean. And anybody who knows green screens knows what I'm talking about. I've got a lot more room by moving the camera further back. Yeah, so yeah, I'm looking forward to my game tonight. My boys play Atletico Madrid tonight. So it's fingers crossed on both hands, and just hoping for a good result. It is time my boys woke up anyway. It is. They can't keep getting away with what they're getting away with. I know we're winning games and that, but they're not going to keep getting away with it though, with how we've been playing. Yes, we've won 4 games, but it's not been pretty. And a lot will say that don't matter. It does. It does. It does. We want to show authority, and in many respects we're not doing. So, But I'm hoping for a win tonight anyway. And kick off 8 o'clock. And then on Saturday, I always have 2 bottles of Newcastle Brown when I'm watching game. One at first half, one at second half. Always do. But on Saturday I won't be able to because game's on and we're going out. So, you know, and I'm driving there, so I won't be having any. I never do. Not if I know I'm going out. Because I'll have me quota when I go out. I don't need to be drinking before. So yeah. Saturday is the Merseyside derby. So we've got to win that one surely, and we will really need to wake up for that one. We really and Mo, he may as well stop in bed. For the most part, he's been carrying on, but hopefully he'll come alive on Saturday and he'll get us a couple of goals, early goals. Anyway, like I say, this weren't planned. I only came on. I sat in my chair and I just wanted to do. I was just going to talk to myself and see if this is working. I don't even know if it's working yet. I'm not getting a little test. I'm like an idiot. Oh no, I've just realised. Yeah, let's see. Let's have a look. All right, guys. Thanks for watching again. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.